In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a post on Substack, step by step. Whether you're new to this platform or simply looking to polish your publishing skills, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can confidently publish your first post. To begin, navigate to the Substack homepage. If you're familiar with platforms that facilitate content creation and distribution, you'll find yourself in familiar territory here. On this page, you'll want to look for the New Post button. This critical option is your gateway to initiating a fresh piece of content, allowing you to share your unique perspective with your audience and engage your subscribers effectively. After clicking on New Post, you'll be prompted with a choice menu to select the type of content you wish to create. For our purposes today, we will focus on a text post. This option is perfect for traditional blog-style entries where your words take center stage, conveying your thoughts and insights to your readers. Although Substack does offer options for other media types, such as audio and video, we're focusing on keeping it simple for now. Next, you'll need to enter a compelling title for your post. Think of your title as a headline, something that not only draws readers in but also sparks their curiosity about what's to come. A good, catchy title can make all the difference, transforming a simple click into loyal readership. Once you've got your title nailed down, consider adding a subtitle. This additional line can expand upon your title, offering more context or teasing the content in a way that captures attention and encourages readers to delve deeper into your post. Now it's time to dive into the body of your post. This is where the main content will live, so take your time crafting paragraphs that are both engaging and informative. It's important to utilize the text editor tools provided by Substack. They allow you to format your post, emphasize key points, or break the content into digestible sections, making it easier for readers to follow along. After completing your draft, look to the upper right corner and click Continue. This will take you to the next section, where you'll decide how your post gets distributed and consumed by your audience. At this stage, you'll encounter various choices such as sending the post to everyone or restricting it to paid subscribers only. Consider your goals and the audience you're trying to reach as you make these important decisions. For engagement options like comments, you'll need to determine whether you want to allow everyone to comment or disable commenting altogether. This part is really about finding the right balance between community interaction and managing the discourse surrounding your content. Adding tags is another valuable step. Tags help categorize your post, making it easier for readers to find related content and engage with it. Think of them as keywords that summarize the core themes of your writing. Before concluding, consider scheduling your post for delivery at a future date or choosing to send it instantly, depending on your content strategy and dissemination plans. Finally, you'll have the option to send your post via email and the Substack app, ensuring it reaches your subscribers wherever they prefer. When you're ready, click Send to Everyone Now to publish your post. Congratulations! With these steps completed, you've successfully published your post on Substack, ready to engage with readers worldwide.